Didn't work. Here we are. It's this monster. Oh, and he's gonna wash his van right before a dust storm. Taking pictures of it on your phone, eh? It looks just like the one on about a month ago, right? The big one. I wonder if this will be a record setter too. This time I finally get it on video, or get one. That is massive. That's like, oh, that looks like it's about, oh, I don't know. Has to be about 30 kilometers wide. Probably 2 kilometers high. I mean, that's reaching right up to the clouds. I mean, goodness. This thing looks nasty. I want to get a video of when it hits. Oh, here we go. Let's go around the base a little bit. That is just a wall of dust. Headed straight at us. Glad you all get to experience this with me. I cannot describe how this feels knowing this thing is coming at us. Or it might miss us, I don't know. There's the end of it. There's the other end of it. So yeah, that's big. Oh man, I can't wait to get my ATV. That way, cases like this, I don't have to walk home no more. Plan on getting a, maybe a Polaris 850 XP. I don't know. We'll see. Francisco calling someone, warning them. This thing is huge. And it's about maybe 10 minutes away. Thunder's rumbling. It's a one nasty storm, I can tell you. It might not look like it on the video, but trust me, it is. It is one nasty looking storm. This is not going to be pleasant. Look, there's more birds flying away from it. If you can see them. Of course you can't. Oh man. This thing's angry. It's getting closer. Oh shit. Oh, they're locking the gate. I think I'll break this one up into 3 parts. Fucking fly. Get off me. The fucking fly, they just don't leave you alone. Boom. Oh, this camera's getting heavy. I hope the color comes up on this, because that is a dust storm. I promise you. A big one at that. Oh man. This is gonna suck. Shit, man. Look at it. The clouds just formed right above us. Those were not there 10 minutes ago. Oh man, it's getting closer. And look, I can tell you it's daytime because there's the sun. And there's the dust storm. Oh man. The wind's going the other direction. It's like a tsunami. The ocean goes out right before it blasts you. This is cool. It's gonna suck walking home in it, but this is cool. I'm not sure I want to go home yet. Right when it's about to hit, they're probably gonna be like, go home. Are you walking with it? I'm just gonna shut up now. Oh great, we got more work to do. Well folks, there's going to be a part 3 right before it hits. Well, are we going home? Right now? Alright.